Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Today we're going to take a look at a really cool little device. Now this is going to be great for gyms, golf, and also other sports, as well as content creation. Now what this is a magnetic phone holder. I'm going to show you everything that comes in the box. This is a pretty cool little device. All right, so in our box, we get a MagSafe ring. We have a very basic starter manual to walk you through how to set everything up. Here is the base. As you guys see here. It also comes with a mirror connector, or I just call it a magnetic plate that you can adhere to a mirror or glass surface or something like that that doesn't normally, connect to magnets. So you'll be able to use this, ladies, if you want to put this on your mirror. Guys as well, just peel off the little 3M tape here, stick this to some flat surface, and then you'll be able to easily adhere this to whatever you want to connect it to. Now, this will also work, as I said, with phones that don't have MagSafe. So it does come with the ring. All right, so you also receive this plate right here, and this is what you're going to connect the phone to. So depending on your phone, it should just easily connect like that using MagSafe. All right, so let me show you how to connect this. You have a little washer here on the back, or a little nut, and you're just going to take this off, and then you're going to take that nut and you're going to drop it over this little ball head, and then you're going to press this in like so, and then all you have to do is just spin this nut back on, and depending on how tight you make it will determine how much tension you'll have with this. So we could just kind of lock that down pretty tight like so. Now this is pretty much ready to go, so I can easily attach a phone to this like so. So if I wanted to record myself, front facing or something like this, I'd be able to. Or even using your rear camera, you could just position this where this would be connected to like a metal pole or a light stand or something like that. And it's going to be really easy to set it up. So let me show you guys some optional ways that you can actually use this. All right, guys, so we have a little light stand, as you guys can see here. This would be a perfect example of how you could mount something like this. So if you wanted to do selfies, you could mount it just like this, where now you're doing like a selfie. You can also rotate this around to whatever orientation that you want to use it. And you can also set this up where if you were using this in the reverse, you could actually turn the camera where it's facing in the direction of yourself if you wanted to use your rear cameras. The magnets on here are very strong, so there are a number of different places you could use this, like for instance, in the kitchen, over a stove, on a refrigerator, in a gym. So a ton of different places you can use this. So if you're looking for a way to be able to easily mount your phone to record yourself or create content, this is going to be an excellent product for you guys to take a look at. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I just want to do a quick video showing you this really cool little smartphone mount and some of the accessories that come with it.